Introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing is here.
Ever since the announcement of the Apple Vision Pro, I've been incredibly excited to get my hands on one. This new device, according to Apple, falls into a cutting-edge category they are calling spatial computing. The Apple Vision Pro boasts two postage stamp-sized micro OLED screens, each with over 4K resolution. It's powered by an M2 processor for applications and an R1 processor dedicated to processing images from its various cameras and sensors, achieving photon-to-photon rendering in just 12 milliseconds. With 16 GB of RAM, the Apple Vision Pro offers storage options of 256, 512 GB, and 1 TB. On January 19, Apple kicked off the pre-sales of the Apple Vision Pro, and guess what? Today is my birthday, January 30th, so I decided to treat myself and ordered the 1 TB version. There's a small hiccup though. I live in the Czech Republic and they only sell it in the United States. That means in 2 days, I'll be hopping on a flight to New York City to pick up mine on Friday, and I'm taking you along for the journey. So stay tuned.